How you doing there? Marc Rief with CrossRoads RV, Regional Sales Manager for the Zinger and Volante product lines. Here to demonstrate our proprietary table. It has one single leg on it. We call it the floating table. It's very unique to the industry. Offers a lot of great features that some of the other tables in the industry do not. Go ahead and set this bar over here. Simply pull this table up. Set it to the side over here. See this bracket right here actually holds in tight. I'm going to go ahead and set this table on top of here now. Slides down. It's got a little nut underneath there, a wing nut. Tightens the table down. It's very firm and secure. As you can see, there's nothing obstructing where you get in there and sit on this table. Keep your feet from actually moving around the table. Very easy to slide in and out. To whereas other tables have dual legs here to keep their support and balance. Very difficult to get your feet around those. Again, this is something that we're doing at CrossRoads that you won't see with a lot of other manufacturers in the industry. And we just want to give you guys a quick sales feature on this so you can relay this to the customers and help you aid in your sales in the future. Thank you.